I'm going to show you what it looks like when Product Central becomes the operating system for a scaled product organization. Specifically, how leadership gets clarity, teams stay aligned, and customer signal directly informs what we build next. Let's start at the executive dashboard. This is where leaders get an instant view of what's happening across the entire portfolio. Objectives, initiatives, risks, and progress are all summarized in one location. From here, I can quickly understand how we're tracking against our objectives and where attention is needed without having to stitch together updates for our leadership. Speaking of stitched updates, I'm also embedding an AI agent to help me summarize capabilities that are relational to our objective. This outputs a simple 2 to 3 sentence summary without having to comb through multiple updates. I have a clear and concise idea of what risk is presented to our strategy. If I drill into an objective, I can see the initiatives and capabilities driving it forward. This gives me direct line of sight from strategy to what teams are actively working on. What's especially powerful here is the connection to execution. For any in-progress capability, I can see real-time status coming directly from Jira. So progress is always current and trustworthy. From a leadership perspective, what matters most is knowing when things are slipping. Product Central highlights execution drift automatically, where planned timelines and actual progress start to diverge. Instead of asking teams for updates, I can immediately see what's off track and why, with a clear summary tied to the underlying work. As we move into annual planning, everything starts with the voice of the customer. Rather than treating customer feedback as a separate system, it's brought directly into planning conversations. Here we can quickly understand customer sentiment and key problems driving demand for new initiatives, ensuring we're prioritizing based on real signals, not just opinions. Those customer-driven ideas flow into a centralized proposal view. This is where teams and leaders can triage initiatives, review business case and ownership, and rationale, to help make informed trade-offs. Instead of ideas living across decks and docs, everything comes together in one single location to evaluate and help prioritize as a team. From there, we move into scenario planning. This is where we apply a cut line across initiatives and test different portfolio mixes against their available capacity. I can quickly see what we can realistically commit to and understand the trade-offs we're making. This helps ensure we're maximizing impact without overloading our engineering teams. And finally, the question everyone asks, where is the roadmap? This is the field-facing roadmap designed for alignment across product, sales, customer success, and leadership. It shows what's coming, what's in progress, and how it all ties back to our objectives. This becomes the single source of truth for the organization. I can also use Omni right here to ask simple questions. With a simple natural language query, like for example, which quarter has the highest investment across our initiatives, I get immediate structured data that helps support decision-making in real time.